You can't have a light without dark. You can't have dark without light. So,
No, Tootsie came out in the 80s.
Oh, okay.
Macho women, ugly women are massive macho.
In my evening dress that I wore to one premiere.
Are you okay? Everything's good? He had bad breath, though. I know, God rest his soul, but he had bad breath.
And you got the gig. You got the gig next, right?
And I don't want to get into it.
How do you know she had a dream?
She told me.
I really enjoy 7-Up. Someone who probably smells just, like $1 million.
Birds tit sucking, bubble blowing, midnight meatball.
Ethereal, like cathartic.
Like the Logan's Run's future. Remember the Logan's Run future, everybody?
Like we have a pit sit.
I guess if it was half Shih Tzu and half Pit Bull, it'd
boy, killing it for you, boy, killing it.
So it's me, Dr. Phil, and you know.
And then in the record company.
What's your favorite soft drink?
One form to another. So you have a crush, you get rejected by this girl. What do you do with this pain or this agony? You transmute that. You transform that. That's energy. That's negative energy. So you put that energy into that's what transmutation is. The ability. Boy, killing it for you, boy.